everyone, it's your girl Stephanie Monique back with another video. So today I decided to do kinda a little DIY tutorial today. So I had just washed my little Air Force Ones and I was kind of bored of them because they were dirty and just a little boring. So and it's quarantine and you know everybody's bored trying to figure out different things to do. So I decided that I was gonna try to do a little kind of like paint splash little tutorial in there. I saw somebody on my Instagram do it and it was kind of cool, so I decided to do it myself. So I went and picked up some gray, pink, and a white acrylic paint to try to do that pattern because I don't want it to be too overwhelming. I still want to be able to wear it with different outfits and it still look fine. So we're gonna pray that it turns out at least somewhat okay and I don't ruin a perfectly good pair of shoes. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna get started. I have my sister over here too because she decided that she might want to try these on her little Vans over here. So if all goes well, we'll see how this goes. The only other things that I said, well, that I thought I needed based on watching different her over here fighting bugs. I have a little nail polish remover. I got a paper towel to rub that on there. Also just got a toothbrush. We're going to see how this works with splattering the paint. And some masking tape to cover all the parts on the shoes that I'm not going to be painting basically. So I'm going to just start taping those shoes now. Alright, hey everyone, I'm back. And so it took a little while, but I went all around and I put the tape on the spots that I didn't want to do on both shoes. So for this, I'm just going to be doing the sole, the little check mark, and the top, and hopefully that looks okay. So I did it on both shoes, covered the top and everything as much as I cared to do because I got tired. But that is what they look like beforehand. So we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of this fingernail polish and putting it on a tissue to prep the spots that I'm going to put the paint on. Alright, so I have officially finished, I guess, both of the shoes as far as painting them. And so
I'm making a mess.
I don't want to touch it, but here they go with the paint finished on them. And so I might blow dry them for a little bit, but honestly I might just let them dry for a couple of days, just depending on how long they take to dry. Some parts are a little thicker than others. And so I just want to make sure it's really set before I take the paint off and lace them up and everything. So, yeah, and we'll see how that goes, I guess. See you then. Bye. Hey everyone, so it's the next day and I'm back again. So this is what the sneakers are looking like from yesterday. I know it's kind of hard to see with the tape still on there, but I did the little check mark, this up there, and the sole. And now I think I'm actually going to take off the back and either paint this Nike sign gray or pink. And then I found some actual paint brushes, so I'm probably going to go around the whole shoe and just do little splatters since like there's mostly big splatters on it. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. And then I'll just let that dry. So yeah, that is the task for today. So I'm going to just move y'all down and we going to get started. Alright, so I finished both shoes. And, well, I finished one shoe, but I just wanted to show y'all kind of the before and after of the shoes. You can see that much. but it's a little different. And I did the Nike sign pink, and you can just see it's kind of more little splatters on that one compared to this one. Like, there's just more little splatters, and I just like that a little better. So I'm gonna finish those up, well, this one up, and then I'll be done. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Well, not welcome back, y'all know what it was. Welcome back to this video. So previously I started these sneakers about 2 days ago. I went in and did some bigger splats, and then yesterday I went in and did some smaller ones just to fill up more space. So today what I really want to do with these is just take off the tape, lace them back up, and go back in with any white if I need to. If any the paint has seeped under the tape or anything, and just fix those spots. So I'm going to get right into that and then show you guys the final results. Alright, so I finished lacing them up, as you can see, and now the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take this tape off and see if we need to do any adjustments around the shoe. Alright, so I'm pretty much finally done. I just went in and used the scissors kind of like this and scraped off the paint since it was kind of like crusted up, and it pretty much removed it from the spots. So that's what I did, and I'm just going to show you guys the final results really quick, and then that would be it. So here is what the shoe looks like with the tape taken off. As you can see in the back, I went in and painted the Nike sign back there pink as well. And so I really like it. I think it turned out okay, and it's not too bright, so I can still wear it with a lot of things. And here's the other shoe, pretty much the same, you know, the Nike sign did in the back as well, with a little lace up in the front. And so that is what the shoes look like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to do this. Actually, I'm going to try to do this a little more so I can get a little more practice. Comment any ideas of things you would like to see me do DIYs for, or anything else, and I'll make sure to look at that. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. I am posting every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. so stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.